All right, guys, welcome, everybody. Welcome to today's market outlook. I believe you had a wonderful week, and that was a week. Last week market outlook was crazy, amazing, and super pump. And everybody, you all make money because all about the pair I gave out about six pair. Everything played out accordingly. In case you missed that, please you can go over last week video to watch it so you can stay updated. Um, that's for that. So for this week, these are the trades and setup that we will be looking out for, and then of course we expect that you join us so you can make money as well. Awesome. The first pair I'll be looking out for is USD USD. As you all know, any setup we give you is going to be a crazy and a massive one. Right now, yeah, coming to the market right now. Just say what is a long one. It's going to be a long one, just a long one, a bullish one till this point, and we'll be expecting to short at this point. That's it. That's it. Simple as ABC. Let me show you why. Let me show you on the daily time frame why we are shorting. The last time we were here, it stopped here. This time around, it should stop to around here. Aside from that, we also have a trend line there and we have a cycle level there. This is the market that did what take away this last low. Of course, it should retest either stopped here or stopped here. Either of the two inside this zone we are looking for a sell. That is number one. The second pair we're looking for is we're looking for this baby as well. USD card, USD card, USD card, USD card. Right now, you should be selling this right now. This is it. At this point, we should be looking to buy. We're looking to buy at this point. We're looking to buy whenever market comes back to this point to buy. Right now, you want to make profit. You want to enter the market immediately. You should be selling. You should sell to this point, and then from that, you should short. At this point, you can be looking to long. This point or below here or something around here, you should be looking to long anywhere around here. Aside from that as well, we are also looking for this baby. We are looking for this baby, Euro AUD. Let me show you on a longer time frame. Euro AUD. Can you see last time we were here we shorted, last time we were here we short, last time we were here we short, last time we were here we short. So meaning that this level is just what is strong. Let me zoom it for you. It's just a strong. Can you see this cycle level here? This one I'm doing is just a strong level. The market has never, you only put it out twice, once and the second one. So we're looking out for a short as well, except you want to come here, then do head and shoulder, then we can short as well. But I don't think so. But so we will so vigilant and be so and then observe. We're observing the short around here whenever the confirmation comes. But right now, this might take a longer time. The way I'm saying because this is a strong move that comes from a news movement, and our students already knows implications whenever there is a news movement and everything like that. So I'm not expecting this to turn out so easily like that. I should take at least for 2 days to mature. So I used to tell you guys that it's not about coming market coming to your zone or everything. No, it's about the right time to shoot. It's about sniper entering. It's about knowing when to shoot and when to enter. I should tell you that you should understand and you should know what we call candlestick confirmation. These are what we have taught our students. It's free. You can join our community for free where we drop in jobs signals up to 5 to 10 daily signals. And as well on our VIP is free actually. We offer VIP as well, but it's free. We give everybody free signals and trainings and mentorship. So this is what you wouldn't want to miss if you want to really skill yourself up in this field. Please you can join us. Look at the link in this description or comment below. Our support will send the link to you and you'll be mailed everything. As well as aside from that, we also have a document that explains candlesticks for you. How you can find your end-to-end access everything. Yeah, so explain it. You can get that for free. It's not for sale. We're not selling it. It's for free as well. Just mail us or drop a comment. Let us know as many who need it. Then our support will send it to your email. So that is for that. So on this part, this will be a long way to take a while before the correction will come and it is moving. So don't be in a hurry for it. I know what I'm talking about. I'm talking from experience. So do not be in a hurry, okay? Do not be in a hurry. Aside from that, I'll also be looking at this baby, USDCHF. Let me show you. I'm looking at this baby here. Let me show you. I'm looking at to long this baby here. When it comes to right now, it's a short. So the shots you come to either touch our trend line or come and touch here. Let me show you. Can you see that this move has stopped? This move started and it broke too. So right now, if you want to enter into the market and make something right now, you can just short. But the short might want to come to somewhere around here. This one is coming around here, then short. Take away this low, then come to somewhere around inbox here. Anything inside of this box, let me do it. We'll be looking forward to what? We're looking forward to what? We're looking forward to anything inside of this box. We'll be looking forward to buy or below it here. Looking forward to buy. That is what's on. That is on USDJPY. That is on USDJPY. USDJPY. That is on USDJPY. So, and also for the last one, I think that's 4 or 5 already. So I'm gonna give you like six. I'm looking out for. Yes, I'm also looking out for this baby. I'm also looking out for this baby. I'm looking out for this baby. As a matter of fact, this is also a sweet and a nice one. This baby here, hero card, hero card. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. You can see the move. The last time we were here, we stopped here. Last time we were here, we should stop here as well. So I see the move. This is a nice one, of course. And then whenever you're below, we're shorting. Whenever you're up, we're buying. Here you see the move, and then stopped here. This is it, touching this, making equal. We have given in one of our teachings. Our student knows what is meant by this. When you have an M pattern and the leg of M pattern equal each other, they know what it means. So these are the things that you should know, of course. So, however, if you want to just have our free trainings, free classes, you can click the link below in this description and join us on the Telegram where we teach. We offer free trainings, and of course, our VIP is free. So, you wouldn't want to miss on this VIP signal. We drop every blessed day. So, you can see that price correction came in here, and then a Mongos long came. Now it's now retesting. So, I'm expecting the retest to still stop somewhere around here, then continue stopped here or here. So whenever it stopped here, but I'm hoping that it stopped here. It stopped here, I'm looking to short. Why? Because we have what edge, we have the shoulder here, then we should form a next shoulder here. Then I shoulder on the cycle level. And aside from this being a cycle level, the least level is also a strong, is also a strong, is a strong, is also a strong zone, of course. So I'm looking to short at that phase as well. So that is for that. I believe I'm done. I've done a justice for all of this. Okay, do you also have any other one? Okay, I think I'll also be looking out for USDGU. I'm looking for GU. Okay, GU. I'm still opening right now. It should bind. If you want to enter it immediately, after then it should be ready to short at this point. So that is for GU. I hope you understand. I hope you get that clear. Any question, guys? Let me know the pair that you will be trading for the new week. Comment below right now. And thanks for joining me once again. Goodbye. Have a wonderful week ahead of you. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.